My name is Louis Kokonis. I'm a math teacher at T.C. Williams High School in Alexander School System. I've been teaching in this system since 1959, so this is my 60th year teaching at T.C. and teaching math, which I enjoy. When I first started, I was teaching at Hammond High School in Alexander, Virginia, and it was basically white, but they had another school, George Washington, in downtown Alexandria. So that was partly black or mostly black. So they wanted to merge the two schools. So in 1970, they came up with T.C. Williams High School, and they brought some of the teachers that were teaching at Hammond and some of the teachers that were teaching at GW to come over here and teach at T.C. Williams High School. Then it was pretty much an integrated school by then. And we had a great football team. Remember the Titans, which is well known by a lot of people. No, very little challenges. The students seem, interested just like they did in Hammond. I never felt that there was any tensions, but in the different departments, like in the athletic department, there was a little bit of tension, but not where I was concerned. I didn't see anything. As far as the changes over the years, the students are pretty much the same, except for the fact they're dressing differently. When I first started Hammond, all the boys pretty much had crew cuts, and since then, over the years, the way the students dress and the cell phones and the computers, they all have come in recently, and it's a real challenge just to try to keep up with all this new changes. But the students are good students in any time that I taught, every time that I taught. Nowadays we have a lot of testing. It's called SOL testing, and the problem is, like, if you're teaching an algebra course, it used to be that you could just teach everything that was required, but now you try to gear yourself to what's going to be on the test, because it's important that they pass the SOL test, so you have to cover the kind of material that they're emphasizing. So rather than teach, a full Algebra 1 course, you have to kind of, water it down a little bit. Well, as far as, advice to new teachers, they've got a tough journey compared to what I have had, because there's more required, there's more testing required. But if a person loves the subject he's teaching and loves to work with kids, then I would recommend that, he teach and become a teacher. I've seen some great teachers come here in the recent years, which long time ago there wasn't as many, but now there are. As far as what's kept me going for 60 years is I enjoy teaching math. I love math, and I also like students. And the two together, if you like students and you like the subject you're teaching, it's a satisfying career, and you can probably last many years.